Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in to another video. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so let's get into today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys my Coach Pillow Tabby 26 in the color Taffy. I did get my bag from the actual Coach store located here in Dallas, Texas, and we will get into the details of this bag, and I'll be showing you guys mod shots of the bag, just letting you know if this purchase was worth it. So first, let's go ahead and get into the price and things involved with this Coach Pillow Tabby. So I have my Coach little envelope that came with my order. So for the Coach Pillow Tabby 26, these bags are priced at $495, which does not include the tax. So I feel like that's a good price range for a good quality leather purse, genuine leather. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay guys, so here is my Coach Pillow Taffy, and as you can see, I have it in this beautiful pink color. The color is called Taffy, which it does actually remind me of like the taffy candy. It's very beautiful. The color is very bold, but also at the same time it is still a very neutral like pink, so it's not like hot pink. And I really love that about this bag. As you can see, the bag is super duper plush, so soft. The leather is A1 quality. I was super excited to get this bag because it was like very hot. I seen it on Instagram maybe just one time, and I was just like, okay, I need that bag in my collection because it's just like a staple bag to have. And since Coach has been making a comeback with some of their older designs and styles, I feel like, you know, this was definitely a good investment piece if you are someone who really loves to purchase and collect handbags. So like I said, I do have it in the taffy color, which is gorgeous. And even though it's pink, it goes well with a lot of neutral colors, your beiges, your blacks, your whites, your browns. It can really go with anything. So as you can see, it's very plush. The bag itself does come with two different straps. So one of the straps is a shorter strap that you're able to carry the bag as a top handle, or you're also able to throw this shorter strap over your shoulder. So here we have the crossbody strap, and it's such a good quality. It's very thick and durable. You will definitely be able to carry your bag comfortably with this strap since it just fits very well. It won't like crease onto your skin and make indentations. It's perfectly made for the size of the bag, and I love that. And on this strap, it does have 7 adjustable holes so that you are able to make the strap longer or shorter, however you desire to wear the bag. This beautiful pink, soft, buttery leather. It has the Coach symbol here with a brassy gold hardware, just very minimal around the seat. The straps are removable, so you are able to take on a strap, add a strap, do whatever you want to do with the straps. Like I said, it does have the little infamous Coach tab that usually comes on the Coach bags, and this was like a very big thing back in like the early 2000s, so I thought this was dope that they added this onto the bag. And if we flip it this way, you can see it has this beautiful just detail. It's very minimal, but it just adds a little bit extra to the bag, which I really love. Very soft, very beautiful, this bag. Now, when you open the bag up, it has a magnetic clasp here that keeps the bag open or closed. And just looking at the bag, you see the thickness of it. It is very pillow-like. The name of this bag definitely suits it because it's so soft, and you can probably take a nap on this bag. That's how fluffy and padded it is. So in the inside of the bag, it has 3 different compartments. So you have 2 compartments here that are open, and you can just throw things in here. And then you have a part of the bag that has a zipper pocket. So if you zip in this, you are able to put more things in here so that you can keep your belongings secured. This is just some Coach information that was inside the pocket. It is lined with this pink material inside of this pocket that says Coach all over, and then on the 2 pockets here that are the opened pockets, it has the lined leather. You have the Coach tag here, says Coach and all of the Coach information. Very good quality, very thick. So for the Coach bags and the Coach wallet, it did come in this beautiful, simple box. It's black with the Coach logo on it. You open it up, it has the brown lining, has some tissue paper in there. And then we have the box that the bag came in, which is also this big black box. And it has this brown ribbon on it. The box says Coach, of course. And it came with this duster bag that you can keep your bag safe in. And I would highly recommend it because this bag does seem like it will scratch easily because of how soft the leather is. So I would definitely recommend using your duster bag. So my overall thoughts on this bag is get it. Definitely snag this bag before you are not able to, because they are selling like hotcakes. Definitely add this bag into your collection. It's very stylish, very unique, and it's a great addition to your handbag collection. Alright guys, so that is all for my review on my Coach Pillow Tabby 26. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up.